Ooh, she's a hula girl. She's dancing. Do your best hula dance. How do you hula?
You got to do your hands like this, Cece. Do your hands like this. That's right.
Then you're trying to grab something from someone.
No, you're just like.
You was doing this before.
Oh, well, sorry. Okay, do it the right way then.
Show us how to do it. There.
That's right.
Like it's your hands are the waves.
And move your hips.
That's how you. Now.
Wow. Oh my gosh, try again. Oh my gosh, you're doing so good. Woo, you okay?
Uh-huh.
You're still doing so good though. Oh my gosh. How about your cartwheel? How's your cartwheel looking?
Good. Watch.
Wow. You just got to land on those feet, right? Up. Arms up. Yes. So good. There's a hurricane coming. And what are we doing? We're at the park. I know, I see it. What? You can do that. Yep, let somebody else have a turn. Oh, you can do... Can you push it up? Whoa! Go forward with it. God, what are you doing? You're squirting yourself?
Yeah.
Do some more. Oh! Oh my goodness.
It looks like I'm crying, right?
Yeah. So what are you about to get?
Icy.
Snow cone? Yeah? Are you excited?
It's icy.
It's a snow cone.
Icy.
Will you tell me?
Icy.
You think it's an icy? Okie dokie. What's going on, Sipu? How is that, how's that snow cone? Is it a snow cone or is it an icy? Yeah, it is. It's a snow cone and it's delicious.
Smells really good.
Look at this here. So is this how we prep for a hurricane? By eating snow cones? We're getting ready for Hurricane Irma by eating snow cones after going to the park. Is that the way to do it?
I'm gonna freezing.
What are you making?
Taffy.
Well, you're eating taffy. Are you making something?
I'm making taffy.
Oh.
And this is my first practice of taffy.
Oh. Well, okay then. I was summoned back. Yes.
And this is real taffy, and whenever I will show you how to make my first taffy that I did. You get a piece of paper. Cut a little bit off. And then put the paper back where it was.
Or on the floor.
Uh-huh. And then you want to like a little bit measure it or put it on floor dry.
Can you reach it?
No, I can't.
No, got it.
And then you like to, it's 15 long, and then that's perfect for everyone, right? Yeah.
No, don't cut the eraser. Cece.
It's not a real one.
Yeah, it is an eraser. You're cutting it, and you're going to end up hurting yourself doing that. So stop.
This is not my real. This is not my. This is.
So we got that taken care of. And then what?
Do you like this? Then you get some.
Don't
Real
mix
taffy.
it with the real taffy. You are so strange.
And then I want to like get a little bit more. And then when
Yeah, that's the real taffy, and the other is an eraser. Are you going to eat that taffy?
I am.
You are.
I am not.
You are not.
Because
Well, what
I'm
are-
going to pick this with that. And then we're going to try to eat it with just the tap.
Man, you're ridiculous. Y'all remember from Cece's birthday party how much stuff was out here? Yeah, we took all that stuff inside this morning because there's a hurricane a-coming. Hurricane Irma, what's up? And we really don't want all that stuff getting in the pool. What was that again? Try that again. Say that.
Hey guys, it's Cece here. Boo-wah, 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 ba, boo-wah, boo-wah, boo-wah. So I'm just trying to do this, and it's so good. And Mom's laughing at me.
Yes, I am
For no
because you're
reason.
silly. I need to go check on dinner. All right, you play with your taffy. I'm gonna go check on dinner, okay?
And look, I made a real taffy. Yeah, real taffy.
Hiding from the hurricane?
Look, it's right now.
It's right now.
Mhm.
Is it coming?
Mhm.
Yeah.
It's coming to you.
It's coming to me because I'm not under a blanket?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. How's the blanket gonna help you?
It's gonna help me super good. If you're in a blanket and covered, then they won't even know that you're there.
Oh, so the hurricane only comes if it can see you?
Uh-huh.
Oh, so if you're hidden, it won't come?
No, if you're not hidden, it will break down your house.
Oh, well, we don't want that.
So you have to get covered right now.
Oh, well, I better go do that. Now go.
Hi guys, it's Cece here. Dun 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 dun. Welcome back to CC World Channel. Dun, 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 dun.
She has had way too much sugar. She's
More
nuts.
sugar!
No more sugar. Come here. Oh, God. She doesn't have school tomorrow or Tuesday because of the storm that's not here yet. Let's hope I make it through the next 2 days of this crazy girl at home. I love you. Ah, she's snorting in my ear.
Go. please open it. Back to you guys later.
Say-
We don't like you.
Please,
We do like you.
we do like you. Please like and subscribe our channel. Right?
Goodbye.
Bye.